Hello guys, this is the video to how to install hood struts on Mazda 3, and it will be applicable to most of the cars as this is a universal fit. So this is the brand. This was sent out to me for a review. So this is what came in the package: two struts, and there are two bolts with washer, and these two brackets, and these are the nuts. You have to fish it into the hood to put on these bolts like this. Open the hood and put this prop on to secure the hood. uh, Remove this nut and then just fish that nut that came with the package and put this bolt on. So align that nut in the hole and try putting it on. Once it catches the nut, you will feel it. Then you can first hand tighten, then you can use any wrench to secure it in place. For Mazda, use the hole next to this prop. I tried other two holes, it didn't work out, so this was perfect for Mazda. For other cars, you can try whichever works best for you. But according to the length, just to keep it somewhere here. To put on this strut from this side, there's a pin that holds it in place. Twist that pin and remove it. Install on this side. Slide that pin in and then just twist it to lock it in place. But be careful, this pin doesn't fall in the engine bay. It's gonna be difficult to take it out. So once you slide it and twist it to lock it in place, so this side is secure. For the other side of this strut, you just push it to lock it in place, but don't tighten that bracket first. Lock it in place first, then you can tighten this bolt. Yeah, like so. And then you can put this plastic locks back in. I'm gonna cut the excess of this insulation. So for this side too, take out the bolt, put the bracket in, and then fish this nut through the hood. Similarly on this side, align it and just start putting this bolt on. Once it catches that nut, you will feel it. Hand tighten first, and then just use a wrench to tighten this bolt. And then you can just take out this metal strip. Same on this side. Put the this side of the strut first, slide the pin and twist it to lock it in place. Once this side is done, for the other side, for this side you just push it to lock it in place, like so. And then you can just tighten the bolt right there. Just a quick recap. We have to put this bracket on, and you have to put this bolt and then just put on that strut. So I'm cutting this excess insulation that I installed it from our old car. It did help to dampen the sound of the engine. So I'm just cutting out excess that might come in the way of this strut. Same on this side. So this was the quick video. Yeah, the struts were really sturdy and the quality seems okay. I will put the link for these struts in my video. You can go there and buy these. So this is the before and after. If you did like my video, please do subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks again. Cheers.